guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Mumbai Food Truck Festival at Seawoods. So along with me I have my friend Mitra and my friend Vinay. So we are just waiting for the sun to get down. So once the sun is down, we'll just catch you at the food truck. A concept well rooted in the American continent, getting food trucks popularized in India is gonna be a tough task. This was made easy by the Mumbai Food Truck Festival. The third edition of this food festival was held at Seawoods, New Mumbai from 24th to 25th of March. The first one we tried was OHH Truck, a typical American truck serving hot dogs. We ordered the Tokkebi Hot Dog wrapped in crispy French fries and topped with Spicy Mayo Sause. Selling out for 140 was not a bad bet. The first thing we Indians search for is Maggi. Just can't live without it. Ordered a Vegetable Maggie for us. Was yummy as usual, but a bit watery. So guys, we ordered the Vegetable Maggie from food stall number 11 and we all are trying it. It's good. Okay. Not much. So
Safer side Maggie.
it's Maggie. That's what we can say. Nothing can beat the juicy kebabs, beautifully smoked on charcoal. Felt delicious and mouth-watering. And with the sun directly above us, we chose to get some Masala Soda, a delicious drink to quench our thirst.
It's okay, you can keep the bag aside. Alright, let's have some fun.
A chocolate fountain is always tempting. Desserts were served in the way of chocolates, cakes and brownies. Found a live grill serving many Afghan dishes, and nothing can beat a shawarma. Tender cooked meat wrapped in taco style pita bread was heavenly. Always worth a try. Tried a new dessert, snow wheel ice cream, made with grated ice cream topped with fresh strawberries and kiwis, along with the sweet condensed milk being the icing on the cake. strict no-no for us. Only Vinayak was the one who tried them and found them yummy. So late in the evening, the summer heat was asking for more liquid refreshments. So, got some gola for each of us. Relieved us from the heat for a while. Was a favorite among the children. Red hot Goan style kababs were the most popular among all the non-veg dishes served. Were a bit burnt, but it also added the charcoal flavor to the kebabs.
Veg Afghani, first time trying.
How is it?
Good, good.
Alright,
Taste
let
on
me
here.
just ask. Which food stall
Good.
is favorite, popular over here? Anyone? Your favorite? Which delicacy? I just took a store and I found all the
Some bada.
delicacies really very delicious to mouthwatering. But I have to yet go, so I need some suggestions,
Huh?
some references.
She don't
Yes,
like
ma'am.
anything.
What are you having?
Only
What is
Maggie.
it?
Perfect answer.
Candies का है?
The only girl who doesn't like.
Maggi and mineral water.
आग की तरह जब तक हाथ और मुंह पूरा नहीं तब तक चॉकलेट और आइसक्रीम खाने का मजा ही नहीं, right?
Wow.
So, anybody? Which is your favorite food stall? यहाँ
So guys, we are done with the food and all. But right now we are trying to search for something sweet. Something sweet to close off the evening. We'll tell you when we find something. Yeah, bye-bye.
Hi, I'm on YouTube.
Finally, the dessert we were waiting for. Chocolate milkshake in hazelnut, topped with heavy cream. Expectations were high, but turned out to be the biggest disaster of the evening. Tasted like melted vanilla ice cream without the chocolate. What it turned out, it was. Okay guys, so we are done for the day. This was the final drink and the only drink we didn't like.
Three of didn't like it.
All three of us.
Yeah.
So we're just heading on our way home. Let's see if we can survive the train. Shit. So catch you guys later.
Bye.
And signing off. Bye bye.